You're washing? You're washing with a dirty towel. Thank you. Thank you. Who's that? Who's sitting next to you?
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Who is that?
I
I know you know. Can you tell me who that is? Who's that boy over there?
know. It's fine.
Who's the boy? What's his name?
I know.
I know you know. Can you tell Mommy? Mommy forgot. Who's that? Shoving his mouth full. Well, that would be you two with a dirty napkin once again. Is that Alex? Alex? Can you call Alex for Mommy? Thank you. Can you call Alex again? He didn't hear me. Oh, thank you. What's Alex eating with? What's that? Alex, show her. What's that? What's that? What does he have?
What is it? What do I eat with?
Hand it to her for a sec. What's that? What's that? What's that? Maya, what is it? Is that a spoon? No. What's it called? Oh, yeah? Tell your brother again. What's it called? He didn't know.
Let's go again.
Very good, Maya. What's it called? What is it? Maya. Say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. You wave bye-bye to everybody?
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy. Daddy's in the other room. You're going to say bye, doggy.
Daddy.
And puppy dog. What animal were we talking about? Daddy?
Daddy.
Oh, no. You dropped your what?
Maya.
Oh, Maya. What'd you drop? Shane, no. Shane, leave her fork alone. Maya. Don't you dare. Oh.
No.
You're all wet from the soda, huh?
It's
It's spelled? Did Daddy make a mess on Maya?
No.
Did you make a mess? You gonna blow a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Mwah! Mwah! Ew. Oh, you're so silly. You blow a kiss? Mwah! Oh, yes, that's delicious. Mwah!